Number 10 on our list is the Delco Gold 18FR746 front driver side disc brake caliper assembly. This product is designed with both cast iron and aluminum specifications, ensuring durability and performance without adding extra stress on the brake boosting mounting. One of its standout features is the ability to customize, as it is developed without attached brake pads. The inlet fitting type is female, allowing for a seamless fit in your vehicle's braking system. Ideal for those looking for a reliable, remanufactured brake caliper assembly. Coming in at number 9, we have the Delco Gold 18FR1378 disc brake caliper assembly. This remanufactured caliper assembly is pressure tested to ensure safe and confident braking. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, it features a blend of cast iron and aluminum specifications, which means it won't put extra stress on the brake boosting mounting. Like our previous entry, it's developed without attached brake pads, giving you the flexibility to customize your braking system. A solid choice for those seeking reliability and performance. Number 8 on our list is the Delco Gold 18FR1378 disc brake caliper assembly. This remanufactured caliper assembly is pressure tested to ensure safe and confident braking. It boasts cast iron and aluminum specifications, ensuring no extra stress on the brake boosting mounting. Developed without attached brake pads, it allows for customization. The inlet fitting type is female, and it features a semi-loaded caliper configuration. This combination of durability and flexibility makes it a top choice for reliable braking performance. Number 7 on our list is the DJI Mavic Mini 2/SE Intelligent Flight Battery, model CP.MA.0000135.01, renewed. This battery provides up to 31 minutes of flight time, ensuring you get the most out of your aerial adventures. The built-in DJI Intelligent Battery Management System ensures safer flight by monitoring and managing the battery's status. With higher energy density and less weight, it offers improved performance. In the package, you'll receive one DJI Mini 2 Intelligent Flight Battery. Note that this battery is compatible only with the DJI Mini 2 and does not work with the DJI Mavic Mini series. Number 6 on our list is the Delco Gold 334-2099 Alternator, remanufactured and renewed. This alternator is remanufactured using consistent quality processes, not just rebuilt. It features high-quality bearings with high-temperature lubricant and double-lipped rubber seals, which reduce friction, vibration, and noise. The rotors and stators are electronically tested and sealed with a secondary insulating coating to help prevent shorts. Performance tested and inspected, this alternator meets the high standards of Delco for quality design and component specifications. Remanufacturing is an industry-standard practice that returns parts into service rather than scrapping them, ensuring sustainability and reliability. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Number 5 on our list is the Delco Gold 18FR745 front passenger side disc brake caliper assembly. This remanufactured caliper assembly is friction-ready and non-coated. It has been pressure tested to ensure safe and confident braking. Made from aluminum, it features a combination of cast iron and aluminum specifications, which means it places no extra stress on the brake boosting mounting. Developed without attached brake pads, it offers customization options to fit your specific needs. A reliable choice for enhancing your vehicle's braking performance. Number 4 on our list is the JBL Bass Pro Hub 11-inch spare tire subwoofer with enclosure and built-in amplifier, renewed. This powered subwoofer enclosure mounts directly to the hub of your spare tire, saving space while delivering powerful bass. It features an 11-inch subwoofer and a built-in Class D amplifier, providing 200 watts RMS of clean, powerful sound. Ideal for those looking to enhance their car audio system without sacrificing trunk space. Number 3 on our list is the Cardone 27-7516 remanufactured power steering gear, renewed in black. This power steering gear undergoes 100% computerized hydraulic testing for proper flow, leakage, and performance, ensuring a perfect fit and function. All critical components, including cam packs and spool valves, are triple tested to guarantee product reliability. Each unit is built with brand new seals and O-rings, and the sector shafts and pistons are processed to meet original equipment tolerances. This ensures a smooth and dependable performance for your vehicle. Number 2 on our list is the Cardone 18 to 4351 remanufactured domestic friction-ready brake caliper, renewed. As a remanufactured original equipment part, it guarantees a perfect fit for your vehicle. The pistons are exceptionally durable, resistant to cracking or pitting, and can handle great loads. The calipers are treated with a specially formulated rust inhibitor and maintain the original equipment finish. Rubber seals are replaced with high-temperature EPDM rubber for extended life and optimum performance. New bleeder screws ensure trouble-free bleeding and a positive seal, with new washers included where applicable. This remanufacturing process is also earth-friendly, reducing the energy and raw materials needed to make a new part by 80%. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bendix or 275491D2 air brake compressor governor, remanufactured and renewed. This governor valve is a crucial component for maintaining optimal air pressure in your vehicle's brake system. The item package dimensions are 5.47 inches in length, 3.77 inches in width, and 2.5 inches in height, with a package weight of 1.03 pounds. This auto part comes in a quantity of 1 per package, providing a reliable and essential solution for your air brake system needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations.